Hi friends, this is Yolanda from Gospel Ports. First, I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered what keeps you safe or what gives you confidence to return home when you're sailing in the ocean through the rough waves? Today, we will directly show you the heart of gospel fishing boats, how we use the top-tier material to redefine the fishing boat standards. The ocean is beautiful, but it also be ruthless. Corrosion, impact, fatigue, ordinary material can't stand up long-term challenge. The quality of material directly determines the boat hull life and the stability, sailing, and most importantly, your safety. Our entire hull is made of 50838-116 aluminum alloy, which is significantly more corrosion resistant than ordinary aluminum. Our stern comes standard with the Zinc anode, which is corroding first through the electrolysis to protecting the boat hull. As for coatings, both standard with the epoxy primer. Also, we have one option, anti-fouling paint. We use the international brand, effective for up to 5 years. We highly recommend you use the anti-fouling paint before launching. It can highly extend the boat hull life and maintain its value. Top-tier material requires top-tier craftsmanship. We combine CAC technology with skilled, experienced welder to keep every piece of material to use it fullest and to keep every welding bolt to be perfect welding. Next, I will through 3 aspects to explain our welding process: personal, equipment, and inspection. All our welders hold CCS Advanced Certificate, have over 10 years experience specializing in aluminum welding. For equipment, we use the German furnace, Finland compass, and to control heat to put into the boat. For inspection, every boat at every process with new use 3 tests to must pass it. Maybe you never see this process directly, but it's always protecting your safe on every voyage. At Gospel Fishing Boats, we believe that the best material can carry heaviness time. Also, we believe that everyone's fishing dreams deserve the best fishing boats. This is Gospel Boat. Thanks for watching. See you next time.